Hello, my name is Elaine Baxter-Trahair and I am the General Manager of Toronto Children's Services. As we emerge from winter into a welcome spring, I am happy to report that we have a lot to celebrate and to look forward to in 2016. We have been seeing growth in the system for the first time in many years. There has been an increase of 11,000 spaces from 55,000 to 66,000 spaces. This is due to several factors, including funding from our Childcare Capital Reserve Fund, the province's School First Childcare Capital Retrofit, and capital funding for new construction programs. Many of you have benefited from this investment, which in turn has benefited many Toronto families. With this much-needed expansion in the system, there will be 10 additional sites in the coming year, and we will be looking for new operators. Stay tuned for details in the next few months. In the meantime, I should mention that we have updated our childcare design and technical guidelines to reflect the changes since it was released in 2012. If you're planning on making any physical changes to your programs, have a look at the revised version on our website. All changes have been highlighted in purple so that you can easily spot them. There is also a lot going on in the school age front. With full-day kindergarten fully implemented for some time now, we still see the need for more school-age programs. We are continuing to work with school boards and community partners to ensure that more school-age children have access to these much-needed programs. Speaking of school-age programs, you may notice posters in transit shelters promoting our new after-school program quality tool. The School Age Quality Standards Inventory and the Support Guide are available on our website for you as well as for parents with children in these programs. We are very excited to officially launch this tool since it was something that the community had specifically asked us to develop. Many thanks to the over 30 sites that participated in a very successful pilot of the inventory and guidelines. I am also very pleased to tell you that the wait list for fee subsidies has decreased dramatically. We have about 11,500 children on the wait list compared to 16,800 at the same time last year. This is due to several factors, including the full implementation of full-day kindergarten and shifting more funding to infant, toddler, preschool, and school-age children. There are currently more than 28,000 subsidies in the system, 2,000 more than our service level target. We will be investing an additional $1.25 million in fee subsidies this year, which will allow more families to access the system. We are hoping that as we increase the number of available subsidies, more operators will partner with us through fee subsidy contracts. We are also busy working on the new funding model for operators. As you know, the new General Operating Grant will replace the existing set of wage grants. At the moment, staff are busy preparing for the implementation phase of the funding model. This includes developing and testing various components of the grant, such as new guidelines and agreements, as well as updated policies and procedures. We are also developing a new tool that will help you review fees and salary levels and assess the impact of the General Operating Grant funding on your centre. All of these tools will be tested to ensure that your transition to the new funding model is as clear and seamless as possible. We will update you on our progress through DCCA meetings, web updates, and visits by the funding model team in the coming months. Now that we are in our second year of our service plan, we are working through some of the deliverables that move us towards our 5-year objectives. I invite you to check the operators section of our webpage often for updates on all of the exciting work that we are doing. There have also been some recent developments from the province that you may have heard about. This past February, the province announced that it would transfer the delivery and management of family support programs to service system managers across the province. This change will allow us to plan and manage family support programs as part of a seamless and integrated early childhood system. These programs will now be referred to as Ontario Early Years Child and Family Centres. We look forward to continuing to work closely with school boards and community partners as the province transitions these changes over the next few years. You may also have heard that the provincial government is looking to introduce new regulations that would change age groupings and group sizes. We have gathered feedback from families, operators, childcare staff, and other stakeholders that has helped us form a response to the province. This response was submitted in draft to the province on April 1st and will be before Community Development and Recreation Committee in April and Council in May. You can access it on our website. All of us at Children's Services recognize the pressure and stress that you are feeling with all of the changes in the sector these past few years. I personally want to thank you for being with us on this journey to a better, more stable and accessible childcare system. I look forward to seeing you at our DCCA meetings throughout the year. Thank you very much.